Hi, so this is my 4D AI approach towards cultivating better relationships. I decided to do my slideshow. Okay, load. Okay, so for the first question, what did you learn from Operation, I'm guessing that's Asia? Um, it's really cool and just really like from a activist standpoint, I really appreciate what they're trying to do. Cause TB over here, like you rarely hear people getting sick, let alone dying from it, and it's such a big problem over there. I didn't even know about that. So I learned quite a bit from it, to be quite honest. Like I said, I didn't even know that that was such a big problem over there. Um, so yeah, I learned quite a bit about not only how they're trying to get people to care, but about the problem in general. What is the situation you are earning? What is the situation you are aiming to improve? Just improve my relationships better with those around me. With whom did you work with and why? So for this experiment, I guess you could say I decided to focus on my mother. Just for this experiment. What action steps did you plan to take to conduct your experiment? Um, just speaking to her more in general instead of just like texting when she texts me. So like I text her first or I call first. Just taking that first step instead. And what are your measures of success? How well the conversation went between us, if I successfully did what I planned to do. So, contacting her more often. How did you approach the scenario? With an open mind. Um, and without any expectations because you don't know what goes on in someone else's mind, so you can't really. Yes, you can predict how things are going to happen, but again, we're our own people with our own thoughts and feelings, so you never really know exactly what's going to happen in a situation when it has to do with another human being. What happened according to each measure of success? I would say I hit the mark. I did do what I planned to do, which is contact her first instead of waiting for her to contact me. Um, any surprises or insights? Just that me and her were a lot more similar than each other's things. What 1 to 2 insights did you learn about appreciative inquiry? Um, I guess appreciative inquiry. I'm realizing like people that create like dream boards or have a life coach or things like that, that falls under appreciative inquiry because you're following the 4D approach of what you want to happen in your life. What 1 to 2 ideas do you have to implement appreciative inquiry in the future? Um, I'm a big believer in manifestation, so again, that kind of stuff from what I've learned about it, that falls under AI. So continue to do that. And what is your desired outcome for using the 4D process in the future? I feel like it helps you plan things better. Um, Instead of just going into something blindly, have a solid plan, and although things might not turn out the way you want them to, you have some sort of an idea of how you want things to go, period.